Hey guys, I'm giving you my MadMuscles fitness app review. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so MadMuscles is a fitness app aimed at helping users lose weight, gain strength, and build a healthier lifestyle by combining workouts, nutritional guidance, and even coaching. It promises personalized programs, progress tracking, reminders, and meal plans tailored to your goals. So when you use MadMuscles properly, following its workouts consistently and adhering to its nutritional suggestions, it does deliver results. The structured programs are well thought out. Strength training, cardio, and flexibility are integrated in a balanced way. The app also tracks your progress over time, showing changes in weight, body composition, and performance, which can help you stay motivated. That being said, MadMuscles isn't a magic shortcut. Success depends heavily on your discipline, consistency, and how closely you follow both workouts and meal plans. Now, if you skip workouts, cheat on diet plans, or have unrealistic expectations, results will lag. Also, while the app offers coaching features, sometimes the guidance isn't super detailed or responsive. You may need to adapt things based on your body, recovery, or preferences. And also another thing, the nutritional component is only as good as your commitment. So meal plans are helpful, but they might feel restrictive or not fully tailored to your taste or dietary needs. You may need to swap or adjust foods to make it practical in real life. But overall, MadMuscles can be effective if used as a tool, not a miracle. It gives structure, monitoring, and guidance, but how much it works depends mostly on your effort, discipline, and how well you stick with it over time.